Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Wednesday, February 5th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is a place where people play sports. Number 2 is a beautiful country in Europe. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The soccer field is green. The soccer field is green. Soccer field. It is the thing that people play soccer on. Now we can make a flashcard for soccer field. Please write soccer field up here in the top left corner. SOCCERFIELD. Down here, the category CTY 1. This means city, level 1. Over here, the number 40 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Saw, field, soccer field. What about you? Did you play on a soccer field before? Let me know in the comments. Now word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Germany is a big country. Germany is a big country. Germany. GERMANY. It is a famous country in Europe. Now we can make a flashcard for Germany. Please repeat. Jennifer lives in Germany. She speaks German. She eats German food every day. The language and the adjective are German. Please write Germany up here in the top left corner with Y. Germany, country. Down here in this corner, country 1. This means country level 1. Over here, the number 9 out of 26. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Germany. Game over. It is time to go. Where do you play soccer? Very good. I play soccer on a soccer field. And where is Jennifer from? She is from Germany. And if you are high level, Here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, I didn't have room. It is shopping center, a big place with many stores. Number 2, B, this means whole, W-H-O-L-E. And the third one means to vomit when you get sick. The missing 2 letters are R, R. My name is Vinny from Canada. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card. Join anytime.